Annyeonghaseyo, Rachel and Altia.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Manamog kaon?
Awal pa.
Wala pa. Mana ka? Agoy. So I'm here to deliver your 100 pesos each for Rachel and also for Altia, and you also have Jollibee 8 pieces chicken. Please receive for Rachel and for Altea. Okay, and that is from Tubunim.
Tubunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Kaon na mo ha. Annyeonghaseyo, Ili.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So, init. Super hot, no? So, I'm here to deliver your 25 kilos rice for you. Okay. And that is from John-on Shilnim.
John-on Shilnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Alona.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good afternoon. So, manakagkaon day? Wala pa kakaon? Sakto kayo. Sige. Okay, I'm here to deliver your 2 Jollibee 8 pieces chicken for you. Okay, and you also have 200 pesos pocket money. Okay. And maayong buntag nim, na-message nimo si maayong buntag nim. You were good at reading English books. Happy ra ka? Ni-message si maayong buntag nim nimo. Okay. Sige. Kana siya Inday, and that is from maayong buntag nim.
Maayong buntag nim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Flower. It had a round body and covered in soft hair. After some time it flew. Anna and her basketball and adventure. A group of teenage boys was playing basketball on the court at the park. The basketball court didn't have a fence around it. If one of the boys missed the basket, someone had to catch the basketball quickly so it wouldn't bounce too far away. One of the boys was showing off, and he tossed the ball with all his strength from the one end of the court toward. Ngayon, nasa check naman ito.